Oh, people never ask silly questions. There's only silly answers. So I'm Rosemary Coogan, an astronaut for the European Space Agency. Today we're going to be doing an agree or disagree with thesis. We have out of this world and failure to launch.
Is going to space a scary thing?
I disagree with that. There are risks involved, but I think that's what makes it so worth doing. And there's a huge number of people in the team, thousands of people working on these missions, and that's ultimately what ensures their success.
There are currently 10 people in space right now.
I disagree with that. I think there are more people in space right now. There are 12 people. I think there are 9 on the International Space Station and then 3 on the Chinese Space Station.
International collaboration is essential for space research.
Yes, that's another easy one. International collaboration and all sorts of collaboration are completely essential to our success. I think we see this already with the International Space Station and with the upcoming Lunar Gateway.
David Bowie, Life on Mars is better than Elton John, Rocket Man.
I'm going to go with agree. It's a really hard one. It's not really about the songs themselves, but more because Life on Mars just really makes me think about how it would actually be to suddenly find yourself when everything is so different from what we're used to on Earth. Also how exciting that would be. I really get that feeling when I listen to the song, so for that reason.
Being an astronaut just means going to space.
I disagree with that. I would say being an astronaut entails training and preparing for space missions and also to support space missions from the ground. So these could be the missions of fellow astronauts or any sorts of programs and missions that we're doing in space. And communication, so to talk about what we're doing in space and why.
Black holes are actually wormholes.
I disagree with that. I think that there's a lot that we don't know about black holes. Of course, they are very mysterious objects, but we are also able to study them quite well. We do kind of understand their place in galaxies, galaxy formation, and I don't see any reason to believe that they are actually wormholes.
The UK Space Agency is funding projects to develop cutting-edge tech across the UK.
I agree with this. For example, there's satellite technologies and climate studies from space, which are really improving our lives on Earth and are absolutely essential. I think we are going to go incredible places within our lifetimes thanks to the advances in technology. So I am really looking forward to seeing what we do achieve.